邦利茶叶与肯尼亚茶叶局紧密合作已经有7年的时间。
For us, we have been working with the Kenya Tea Board for about 7 years, and we have a close relationship. And for this time, we come to Kenya to visit 3 tea companies, including Tea Research and also Chebango and also Mungania. And we want to fasten the procedure between our workshop and also to learn the skill from the tea producing and also introduce the good ingredients, the tea leaves, to China.
Echo loud in the stormy sea.
China is one of the markets that has the highest demand in the world, and from what we understand, it's a growing market. The requirement for China is a little bit unique to the other commercial orthodox teas, and we've had to try and understand a little better of first their product, and secondly the equipment that can be used to process this tea. And then thirdly, and where we are right now, is to narrow down to certain specifics in terms of the equipment, in terms of the types of tea, and also the skills that are required.
现在目前来说，肯尼亚这边的。
For us, for Kenya tea factories, you are producing the orthodox tea in the traditional way, while we are producing the orthodox tea in China. We're using the full automatic process, full automatic production line. So this time we also want to introduce our technology and to Kenya, and then to help the tea process. And also for the tea leaves in the tea garden, we hope we can take good advantages of the tea leaves and then produce them in a better way.
好好的来进行一个双方的一个互动，促进这个茶叶装备啊，还有制茶技术的全面的提升。
Commercial tea is the way to go. Probably the choice one has to make if you are a producer is what type of commercial tea do you intend to make? Who is your target? And once you have identified those, then you can get down to the nitty-gritties of the processes, the equipment, and then, of course, the investments that one need to be made. But it's definitely something that we must do, because I think one thing we recognize is that the oversupply of the black CTC into the market is one which we need to look for alternatives in terms of what can we make with our tea. Unfortunately, the commercial orthodox offers us an opportunity to make a slightly higher value product than the CTCs.
咱们肯尼亚的茶叶在世界上是非常知名。
Kenya tea is very famous around the world, and especially for Chinese consumers, they like the CTC tea and also the black orthodox tea. So they think the taste is very good, and the aroma is also good for us to taste.
那个老百姓很喜欢的。
For anybody who is looking to do this, it's definitely a worthwhile engagement. It may look like a lot of time consumed, but for those of us in tea, you realize that it's a long-term investment.